Good morning everyone. I am Srilata from CSC department. I am going to present a topic from Java called constructor and its types. Constructors are very important topic in object-oriented programming. It helps initialize objects when they are created. The contents covered are introduction to constructors, object initialization, characteristics of constructors, syntax of constructors, types of constructors, constructor overloading, advantages of constructors, real-time examples, and conclusion. Now coming to the introduction, a constructor is a special method in Java. It is used to initialize objects. It is called automatically when object is created. The constructor name must be same as the class name. What is object initialization? Object initialization means assigning initial values to the variables of a class. For example, if a student object is created, the constructor can be set to student ID, student name, and student marks. The features of constructors include constructor name must be same as the class name. Constructors do not have a return type. They are automatically invoked when an object is created. They are mainly used to initialize instance variables. A class can have multiple constructors. The syntax of constructor is class name, object name, and the initialization code. For example, class student having object student and a print statement. And object creation should be student s1 equals to new student. Types of constructors in Java. There are mainly three types of constructors, namely default constructor, parameterized constructor, copy constructor. Each type helps initialize objects in different ways. Firstly, default constructor. A default constructor is a constructor without parameters. It initializes objects with default values. If no constructor is written in Java, Java automatically provides a default constructor. For example, class student having object student and a print statement and output B default constructor executed. Secondly, parameterized constructor. A parameterized constructor accepts arguments. It allows initialization of objects with specific values. Different objects have different data. For example, class student have int id string name and the student object have int I and string n. Object creation. Student S1 equals to new student of 101, Ravi. Student S2 equals to new student of 102, Sita. Here 101, 102 are the student IDs and Ravi, Sita are the student names. Thirdly, copy constructor. A copy constructor creates a new object by copying another object's values. It helps duplicating an existing object. This is the example for copy constructor. Here the first student details are copied to the second student details. Constructor overloading. A class can have multiple constructors with different parameters is called constructor overloading. The example shows what is constructor overloading. The student class contains student object with default parameters and with parameters. Advantages of constructors are automatically initializes objects, helps reduce code errors, makes code clean and readable, allows different ways of object creation, supports object-oriented programming principles. Let the real-world example be bank account system. When a bank account object is created, constructor can initialize account number, account holder name, balance. Example, account A1 equals to new account of 1001 Ravi 5000. Here 1001 is account number, Ravi is account holder name and 5000 is bank balance. Finally, I conclude that constructors plays an important role in object creation and initialization. They improve program reliability and readability. Main types include default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. They are fundamental concepts in object-oriented programming in Java. Thank you.